how to download 1688 Pinduoduo and Alipay easily with this new app I'm about to show you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share, please. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. So what you need to do now is to type in here, we'll type in here m.appchina.com. okay, m.appchina.com. then you click on search, or anyone you want to that you can click on m.appchina.1688 or m.appchina.pinduoduo. anyone you want to choose, you can go ahead. So I click on search. This is the way the app look like. Okay, it's for Chinese people. So from here now, I'll type in whatever I want to download here. So let's say I want to download Pinduoduo. Click on search. Can you see Pinduoduo? If you click this place now, it will ask you to download it directly. Okay, let's search for 1688. If we will see it, 1688, click on search. Can you see 1688? Can you see it? So now let's search for Alipay. Can you see Alipay as well? So you see that this app is a full package. Okay, so from here now, what you need to do is to, which one you do? Okay, let me go back to Pinduoduo. Started with Pinduoduo. Can you see it now? So what you need to do from here is to click here, okay, to download it. All right, once you click here now, and to show you this, once you see this place, click on it to download. Then from here you will see something like download. Then once you click on this download, it will bring another interface. See keep or discard. Click the keep, okay, then it will start downloading immediately. Then once you are done downloading, you can click on these three dots at the top right corner here. These three dots at the top right corner. If you want to translate it too, you can click on these three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on it like this, and then you see download. After you have downloaded it, you click on downloads like this, and then you see it here. You see the app here like this. Okay, so once you see it like this, click on these three dots here in front of the, tap on it like this, and then you click on, you see install. Okay, I'm not going to install this. And if you don't want to use this method, after you have downloaded it, you come to your files. Let me show you what the files look like. This files here, this is files. This is the files I'm talking about. This one I circled. So you tap on it like this. Let's wait for it to do. You see downloads. Okay, you see downloads here. You see downloads, right? So click on downloads. Once you click on the download, it will take you to where you see all the apps you downloaded, and then you click the front and you click on install, so you can install it. Okay, but me, I'm not going to be installed because I have the apps on my phone already. Okay, so if you click on these three dots in front of this app now, if you click on it now, you will see install, right? Can you see install? So I'm not going to install this because I already have it. Okay, so this is how to go about it. So if you are new to this channel, if you are new, please like, share and comment. Subscribe is very, very important. Subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know that I love you so much, right? Okay, so let's share this video for more people to see. I'll be uploading another video that will interest you a lot before Sunday. Okay, let's say Saturday, tomorrow, or Sunday. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, subscribe please. I love you all. Bye.